Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of lightweight cruisers with a bike that's perfect for beginners, commuters, and anyone who loves classic cruiser styling in a compact package. Meet the Yamaha V Star 250. The Yamaha V Star 250 has been a favorite in the entry-level cruiser category for years. With its retro styling, low seat height, and user-friendly design, it's an excellent choice for new riders or anyone looking for an easygoing ride. Let's take a closer look at what makes this bike special. First off, the design. The V Star 250 is unmistakably a cruiser. From the teardrop fuel tank to the spoked wheels and chrome details, it oozes classic cruiser vibes. The 2.5-gallon tank gives it a sleek profile, while the dual exhaust adds a bit of attitude. With a low seat height of just 27 inches, this bike is super approachable for riders of all sizes. The wide handlebars and mid-mounted foot controls make for a relaxed and natural riding position. Under the hood, or should I say under the tank, the V Star 250 is powered by a 249cc air-cooled 60-degree V-twin engine. It's not the most powerful bike out there, but for city commuting and weekend cruising, it gets the job done. The engine delivers smooth and predictable power, making it ideal for beginners. It's paired with a 5-speed gearbox, which shifts smoothly and gives you plenty of control on the road. And with a fuel economy of around 78 miles per gallon, you'll be saving money at the pump too. The V Star 250 is incredibly lightweight, coming in at just 324 pounds. That means it's easy to maneuver, whether you're weaving through traffic or navigating tight parking spaces. The suspension is basic but does a good job soaking up bumps. And the brakes, a disc up front and a drum in the rear, provide decent stopping power. So, who's this bike for? If you're a beginner looking for your first cruiser, the V Star 250 is an excellent choice. It's approachable, reliable, and has that timeless cruiser style. It's also great for experienced riders who want a smaller bike for commuting or casual weekend rides. Overall, the Yamaha V Star 250 is proof that great things can come in small packages. It's not the fastest or most advanced bike out there, but it nails the basics. For under $5,000 brand new, it's hard to beat the value this little cruiser offers. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, is the Yamaha V Star 250 the right bike for you? Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.